there yet, but hopefully some people will be joining us in a moment. And I just want to introduce everybody to Lesedi. What's up, my brother?
Great.
Cool, man. We here at the Workshop Studios are incredibly excited and honored to have you here to record with us.
Awesome.
So, yeah, take it away, my brother. Good luck. And you guys at home, I hope you enjoy. This guy's incredible. So spread the word, and let's hope that people will tune in. But good luck, my friend.
Sweet. So I'm only going to be singing like 3 songs, but all originals. And funny enough, I'm 25. I haven't written anything in ages, and all these songs I wrote in my teens. So this one I wrote when I was 14. I was stupid. Had a crush, like the biggest crush on this girl. And then I thought she was always playing around with me. But turns out, according to a friend of mine, she's always flirting with me. So when I wrote the song was long after before I found out she was flirting with me. So I thought, I've got no time for this. Which, I was dumb. The name of the song is Music in Blue. My boy knows her from around the block. The girl's a bomb with a ticking clock. She had my heart under key and lock, but then my love for her was right out of stock, so I sing. No more confusion and no more love songs. It's getting heavy and I'm not that strong. These mixed messages I get from you. I wasn't taught, I never went to love school. You're like a vague memory. I bet you don't even remember me and how you made me feel. Hey, yeah. No more confusion and no more love songs. It's getting heavy and I'm not that strong. These mixed messages I get from you. I wasn't taught, I never went to love school. Maybe I should write you a ballad or something like R&B, because the rhythm in my blues is meant for you. Music in blue. This is me because of you. I've never felt this way, but this is what you do. This is music in blue. For all those who did actually notice, I repeated a verse. Sorry, I forgot one. Moving on, actually. Forget I said anything. This is another song. Just saying, I write sappy love songs because the idea of falling in love makes me very happy. The next song is also a love song. For the life of me, I can't remember why I wrote it, but I think I was 16 when I wrote it. No, I was 18 when I wrote it. Another song in my teens. It's called Stay. No, I'm lying. It's called A Feeling. Try to tell myself maybe a different girl, but time I try, I can't explain the pain I feel inside. 'Cause I've looked into your eyes. Oh, I love that beautiful smile. Oh, you make me cry. Tears of joy. 'Cause you're a feeling I can't explain in words. Wish I could be living here on for always. Even though you're a feeling I can't explain in words, oh words. I've tried to ask myself, why do I even try? 'Cause every time I try, I just end up with tears in my eyes. When I see I'm head over heels in love with you, all around you, yeah, I just can't be blue. 'Cause you're a feeling I can't explain in words. Wish I could be living in your arms for always. Even though you're a feeling I can't explain in words. I just can't see myself loving another, no. You're my first choice, oh my first choice, now and forever. Yes, you are. I just can't see myself loving another, no, 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 no. You're my first choice, you're my first choice, now and forever, yeah. 'Cause you're a feeling I can't explain in words. Wish I could be living in your arms for always. Even though you're a feeling I can't explain in words. You're a feeling I can't explain in words. I love love songs.
Amazing, bro. Well done.
And this, I wrote this when I was 16. A friend told me, bro, if you sing a song in front of someone, they will marry you on the spot. Thanks, Keith, if you're watching this. Name of the song is Consider. Consider me before you go to sleep. Consider me in your sweetest dreams. Consider me before your heart conceives its love to anyone. Just before you give your love away, there's some things that I would love to say. So forgive me if I put you on the spot. Oh, oh, you are the last thought on my mind. May think it's creepy, but that's blind eyes. Consider me before you go to sleep. Do you even know how precious you are to me? So forgive me if I put you on the spot. Oh, you are the last thought on my mind. May think it's creepy, but that's fine. I dream of you every night. You open wide my blind eye. My blind eye. Blind eye. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Hey! Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. You are the last thought on my mind. May think it's creepy, but that's fine. I dream of you every night. You open wide my blind eyes. My blind eye. My blind eye. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Yeah. You are the last thought on my mind. May think it's creepy, but that's fine. I don't mind. I dream of you every night. You open wide my blind eyes. My blind eyes. Cool. I had fun there.
Are you done?
Oh, yeah. I actually just remembered another song that I wrote.
Camera's dying.
Okay.
I think I wrote this when I was 13. It was like the youngest song I wrote. And for I think for a 13-year-old, it's a weird thing to be thinking about.
What, masturbation?
No, that's normal. Love, like falling in love with one person and then staying together until you're both dead. I don't know any 13-year-old that thinks that. They're like a 3-chord song. So this is my last song. For the life of me, I only remember the name of the song whilst I'm singing it, so I'll tell you the song name at the end of the song. It's also a slow song. I found the perfect girl for me. She's got the most beautiful eyes, long soft hair down to her hips. She's got the most amazing smile, what she said to me. She said, babe, I love you. Babe, I love you. We're now married with beautiful children. Hey. It's been years old since we met. We're now married with beautiful children. She still looks at me with those eyes. She still knows how to make me smile. She still comes up to me in the night and says, babe, I love you. She still makes me weak in the knees when she says, babe, I love you. Babe, I love you. I wouldn't change it for a thing. This love of ours makes me sing. I wouldn't change her for a thing. Just knowing she's mine makes me sing. Just knowing she's mine makes me sing. Every day we get a little bit older. Out her eyes the sun shines brighter. Every day she holds me just a bit tighter. Yeah, yeah. When we're together we both sing, yeah. Babe, I love you. When we're together we both sing, yeah. Babe, I love you. Oh, babe, I love you. Babe, I love you. I Love You. That's the name of the song. I remember now. It's called I Love You.